Before you begin, remove the service cover, wireless LAN module, storage drive cover, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, keyboard, top cover, USB board, card reader board, battery, fan, and system board. Removal. Note: the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 4 screws. Loosen the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease and thermal pads located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Remove the heatsink from the system board. Reverse this procedure to install the heatsink assembly.